Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting and, if I'm being honest, a little daunting for some of you. Vegan meal prep for beginners. Now, I know that the thought of going vegan can feel overwhelming, especially if you're not sure where to start. But fear not. I'm here to guide you through a simple and delicious meal prep plan that'll have you feeling like a pro in no time. So, let's break it down. Meal prepping is all about planning ahead, and trust me, it's a game changer. Imagine coming home after a long day, and instead of rummaging through your pantry or ordering takeout, you've got healthy, homemade meals ready to go. Sounds amazing, right? The first step is to choose a day to dedicate to your meal prep. I recommend Sundays, but pick whatever works best for you. Now, let's talk about what you'll need. A few key ingredients to keep in your kitchen can make all the difference. Stock up on grains like quinoa, brown rice, or farro. These are not only filling, but also versatile. Next, grab a variety of veggies. Think bell peppers, broccoli, spinach, and sweet potatoes. And don't forget your proteins. Canned beans, lentils, and tofu are fantastic options. They're packed with nutrients and can be prepared in so many different ways. All right, once you have your ingredients, it's time to plan your meals. I suggest starting with 3 recipes that can be mixed and matched throughout the week. For example, let's create a hearty quinoa salad, a delicious stir-fried tofu and veggie mix, and a comforting lentil soup. Each of these can be prepped in bulk and stored in the fridge. For the quinoa salad, cook about 2 cups of quinoa according to package instructions. While that's simmering, chop up your favorite veggies. Cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and red onion work great. Toss everything together with a simple dressing of olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. This salad is refreshing and can be eaten cold, making it perfect for lunch. Next up, the stir-fried tofu and veggies. Start by pressing your tofu to remove excess moisture, then cut it into cubes. In a pan, heat a bit of oil and sauté the tofu until it's golden brown. Add in your chopped veggies. Broccoli, bell peppers, and carrots are fantastic choices. Season with soy sauce, garlic, and ginger for an extra kick. This dish is warm, filling, and can be served over rice or quinoa. Finally, let's whip up that lentil soup. In a large pot, sauté onions, garlic, and carrots until they're soft. Add in rinsed lentils, vegetable broth, and your choice of spices. Cumin and paprika work beautifully. Let it simmer until the lentils are tender. This soup is comforting and can be frozen for those days when you just don't have the energy to cook. Once you've got your meals prepped, it's time to portion them out. Invest in some good quality containers. They'll make your life so much easier. I recommend using clear containers so you can see what you have at a glance. Portion out your quinoa salad, stir-fried tofu, and lentil soup into individual servings. This way, you can just grab and go during the week. A quick tip: label your containers with the date you prepped them. It helps keep track of freshness and ensures you're eating your meals while they're still delicious. And there you have it. A simple, satisfying vegan meal prep plan that's perfect for beginners. Remember, the key is to keep it fun and flexible. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients and flavors. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become. So get in the kitchen, unleash your creativity, and enjoy the journey to healthier eating. Happy prepping, everyone!